Kardom kadu kawe kar British 2.0 YouTube channel long kilangara do ana fans tamil pen pinil labang ke nili dima so overing war sai protection nang wan piglo dima so long stami eli kar biarat atum do igo la si prabjin penali tum labang so overing war sai labang ke jogdun ikon tande ko pia overing war sai ma kon ana pu so vacancies do mala so puthai che than pono nang nali tum na so YouTube channel subscribe lang pe subscribe ikon la pen video nali tum share pon ikon tande non pathek pen lang polo nang la pen detail salam le che than pono nang Tane non pathek pen chethan polonang government of Assam office of the additional director Soil Conservation Hills Assam Lodi Haflonga hin pen kapiklang pon avoreng warsai lapen dima solong kedo anakarbi arada tum hansta me birta ke me lo la sinalitum labang so avoreng warsai labang ke ninghang pulte nalitum jogdun iktame jogja apra details le lang polonang la pen chethan polonang labang so advertisement dak ka publish pon mate ke pi pon adet labang ke 30 May sidak paklang pon eglo lapen notification nalitum dak thek pon long exi nalitum la screen long thek pon long exi la se nalitum jong si apply dun ji bata jogdun exi pulte nalitum standard form labang ke fill up nang po mate assam gize part 9 pustame pupon pon labang so form lapen candidate labang ke citizenship of India nang po citizen of India lapen North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council code is fee stamp labang ke nalitum 10 rupees pabon nengji laso application jong sinali tum jogdon pulote labang so awareng war sai kapiklang pon labang ke soil conversion department hills ahin pensi kapiklang pon lo lapenon kon ana pus vacancies sikidoma la so puthak lang pon lo nang kicheng sinali tum thek ponongji number 1 along Junior Assistant Sapansta Medang Hini ana post kipi pondo kachar deng labang ke kenangji nalitum theklongji mate qualification graduate in any stream science arts commerce tame lapen plus nalitum dak 6 month computer diploma dunaing pata topon lapen pe scale of pay labang nalitum dak thek ponong po 14,000 pe 60,500 analitum long pon exi lapen number 2 long lang pon te soil conservation demonstrator junior of anstame dak ke thom ana post ki pipondo kachar leng deng ke nang jila bang ke its SSLC pass nang ji azad government institution pen nangpo kachar leng deng ke nang jila bang ke for director salary nali tum dak ke long jila bang ke 14,000 pen 60,500 anali tum long pon exi lapen do thula number 3 along soil conservation field worker anat stame bangkre si mate 11 andak number of vacancies bangke pipondo kacharli ang dengke nangji its SLC pass nangji azad government school pen stame chok exi lapen salary na litum 14,000 pen chenglok 60,500 analitum long ponekpo lason data number 4 along pion afan stame da apos bangai isi an ke pipondo kacharli ang dengke nangji class 8 pass anta chok lapen salary da 12,000 pen 52,000 analitum long ponekji lason data da number 5 along together afan stame do stami chugidar pus boy fit stami ajole ki claim nang jeli anarlo aparmansi da ki pipondo la pen apus ki pipon la bangki isiando kachar leng deng class 8% chok la pen salary 12,000 pen 52,000 analitum long pon exi la sonda tadak plantation mali afan stami dak isianda apus ki pipondo kachar leng deng class 8% nang salary 12,000 pen 52,000 analitum long pon exi la pen the ease of the scale of pay carriers the allows the assemble as a per state government rules mate salary la bangke kapiklang pon mate ki pipon la bangke government a role bens da pipon no la pen putho da kapachini thu alam the la bangke penan ki tok pondo nalitum la takilang nang jikinang so jong su jogdon exi pulote la bang sodim lang ikon interested candidates shall have to fill up the standard form of application neatly and legally and submit with the following documents. Please note that incomplete form shall be summarily rejected. Lap sening ke hangabang for bang fitum nalitum standard form ka fill up nang jila bang ke clardak pen fill up nang po lapen jong sinalitum da ka fill up ating alang litum ke hangating jong silong le prote nalitum application hada mase reject ik poputa topon lapen documents ke nang ji 3 copies photo nang ji color passport size photo recent passport size photo lapen nalitum documents along anta cell attested nang ji lapen dotula nalitum la bar age probe apa nalitum SSLC admit card kali pulte birth certificate tami nangji as appropriate lapen marksheet nangpo lapen pass certificate son thaklo lapen caste certificate nangji lapen permanent residence certificate nangji Dima Sau district permanent residence certificate lapen dak valid employment exchange nang exi puta tokpon lapen fee stamp la bangke consul receipt nalitum 10 rupees nangji lato dak tokpon do nalitum dak thengji fee stamp lapen dutlang candidate not fulfilling requested minimum qualification shall be rejected la seda ke hang ateng penjong si non class 8 pass nangji pu penalitum class 10 aparman jong si pidun pulte la tanalitum hodak application bangke reject pon ek puta tokpon lo the pendak number 5 long tokpon do the name of post apply must be clearly mentioned in the application form la pen kol so post sinalitum ki jogdun jima oda nalitum tokdun paminengji mention nangji la pen dotolang la 6 number long tokpo mobile number and email id of the candidate are to mention in the application form la pen mobile number email id staminalitum application of form along nalitum kitok do nangji kinang sat pusi tokpon la pen la 7 number long kitokpon do all photocopies of the documents enclosed are to sell attested by the candidate la pen documents kido an along staminalitum sell attested la bangke nalitum amen chitok dun thainangji puta la da kitokpon do lapen puthot do tulang nalitum dak thek pon tulongji nilna piklang ponik po lapen place of submission of the application date of the submission of application maten ko sodim si jogdam nengji ma lapen last date command tuma la so puthak stamen nalitum dak pen kachini nengji kinang sot lapen nalitum la documents application form lapen fee stamp hai ready thai la pulte envelope along nalitum thap nang po la so thak nalitum tok nang po kitok nangji ko so po song nalitum ki jog dun jima la pen ko so dimma ki jog dam ji dim la so details taminalitum tok po nangji la pen lada ki tok pon do office of the additional director soil conservation hills Assam Lodi Haflong la so dim nalitum dam nang po la pen last date la bangki 15 June si last date lo la pen nalitum apply la envelope thak tok nang to the additional director soil conservation Hills Assam Lodi Haflong Polason Tok Donang po. Lapen that he is citizenship of definite Indian constituency lapen candidate la bangke India constituency penang po lapen arta puta polote 18 pen 43 years an arta tum jog donongji lapen anali tumadak la age calculation ponji la bangki certificate ting basic calculation ponik po lapen dak do thulang ke tokpon nali tum dak thek ponongji preference to given local candidates of district of Dima Sau as a per government letter the pen candidate who has already been servicing working in soil conservation department hence very long time as a per service role candidate who is the registered with the district employment exchange lapen lain dak details na po lapen dotlai sonsoni alam ki tokpon dak nani tum lap so details bang lang poningon pore ponego nililaan pading warade lo dak tok pone sonsoni do igla lapel an important na puthak la bang kenali tum dak chini nang ji son la bang kel chini nang po selection appointment of the candidates is finally be subject to approval the recommendation instruction the North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council in case the last date of submission 15 June happens in the holiday the next working day will be treated as the last date of decision submission jong sila bang song bong la 15 June ang bong jong si kopini ki bon hazard dokok pulotang de puthat adet bang da pabat ponin po lapen information about the date of the oral test will be held shall be informed to call letter lapen call letter along selang litum oral test adet la hay puthas tame piponik po puta tokpon nasipa prabigon Dima solong kido karbietum mate ensilal arlo kido karbietum pinaan duigo ensilang ta omrong so punon haflong punon diung bra punon karbitum ong pik lapen jogdun igo kilong long lela labang ke afilam los tamen alitum ka tridun sikime lapen ki jogdun si kimelo nasi video nalitum serigon karbing long rat lapen Dima so long kido karbi arat tame pala ignang lapen pachinik nang son update nalitum kilong versi apan pura la so YouTube channel la bangken nalitum subscribe ingon tanghe do me thak me kadu kawe karbitish 2.0 YouTube channel long kilang ra do an fastame nilin pen kardom